Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. You know what today is, my Saturday edition. I just got back from Hobby Lobby and you know it, HomeGoods. And when I got back, I got a fabulous delivery from Amazon, so we're gonna check out what I got from Amazon today. So, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That really helps my channel out. So, let's move into Hobby Lobby first. I went back, again, if you watched the last video about the floor arrangements that are 50% off, now is the time to get your florals because this is an amazing deal that they are having. Florals that you may have looked at a while ago, especially the beautiful big ones that may have been like $20 or $24, half off. So if you have a couple dollars, you know, to spend, now is the time to run over there before that 50% is over with. So we're gonna start with the floor arrangements that I picked up today. This was $6.99, so $7, $3.50 a piece. And I got it in this color and in this one. So they are identical, just two different colors. And the next one that I found, I got these leaf picks, regular $2.99. These are going for $1.50. Very nice, so $3 for these two bunches. I found this nice other pick, and it's got like some olives on it, acorn, the burnt orange leaves, and these were $3.99. So half off, $2 for these, not bad. And I found the orange picks, regular $1.99, so you're getting these 99¢, which is actually cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So I got 4 of these. And this is what caught my eye. Isn't this fabulous? This was a regular $11.99, but $6 for this branch. And I am going to do a fabulous vase with this. And that's all I got at Hobby Lobby today. So with this floor arrangement, I was trying to keep it under 20 again, but I ended up spending $24.49, so $25. But you know, when these, like I said in the beginning, these floor arrangements are 50% off, you want to try to grab as much as you can. So that's all I got at Hobby Lobby. So next at HomeGoods, I went yesterday and I've never tried their dish soap, and you get this big bottle for $4.99 and a matching scrub brush. I thought this was so cute, and this would be nice to give as a gift as well, and a nice little gift bag. So I picked up the flavor grapefruit, and then it has all the information. I did wash a pot last night, and you can smell the grapefruit in these. So I'll let you know how it does, like with grease and everything, if it's compared to Dawn, which I don't know. But I just thought this would be something different for my kitchen. And then they had the multi-cleaners, multi-surface cleaner in the spray bottle, and these smell so delicious and yummy. You think somebody was just peeling a grapefruit when you walk in. And these were $2.99 a piece. Unbelievable price. And if you just wanted to squirt and make it like an air freshener, oh my goodness, I wish you can smell. It just smells like grapefruit. So I picked up, you know, this set here. I used one cleaner for my bathroom, and then I'm gonna be using one in the kitchen. My next pickup was, that was Friday that I picked this up, so I went back, I just got in. I found another beautiful butter dish, and it has blessed. And you know my saying at the end of my videos, y'all stay blessed. And I thought that was cute. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm not gonna unpackage this, but it's from the Market Finds. And believe it or not, this was only $6. $6. I like this better than the pumpkin one that I got. But now this matches my kitchen, so I can put this next to my stove and you know, keep the pumpkin one on the table for Thanksgiving. So this was the best find, I think, and the most cheapest out of my little haul that I got today. And lastly, from HomeGoods, y'all, look what I found. Isn't this beautiful? And it is a vase, and this is how tall it is. And I paid $19.99. I just couldn't leave it. This matches all of my decor that I'm going for in my house, and this is so versatile because I can use this all year round. And that's why I ran to to Hobby Lobby to get the florals, because I'm gonna do a floral arrangement. And real quick, but I just realized the candle that I got for $8 on clearance last week matches the vase. Oh my goodness. I want to be careful because I'm like dropping stuff, but it matches perfectly. So this, I came right in at the right time and picked this up today because, like I said, I went last night about 6 o'clock and I didn't even see anything that really caught my eye at the store. Only, you know, the cleaning, you know, the dish soap and the spray. So something said, well, run on over there this morning. So I got over there about 10 o'clock, and as soon as I went down the aisle, boom, there it was. So that was just meant to be. All right, so next I am moving into my Amazon buying. I already opened up the box, so it's easier to get everything out. I ordered these teaspoons, not even open yet, and I've just been waiting to try to get a little few things to show y'all all in one video. And it looks like you get 6 spoons, and they are gold. And the reason why I got these spoons, I want to try to keep the paper so I can put them back in when I'm done with it. Look, y'all, it has like a little, see this slot right here? And this will go perfect. I have some ladies over to have tea or coffee. The spoon just rests like so on the teacup. You do your little stirring and you can rest your spoon. I thought that was very, very elegant and fabulous. And I believe I paid $10 for 6 spoons. All right, so I'll go back and find the link for you guys. If you're interested, you can go on and you know, order you some for Thanksgiving. Next is this little tiny box, and to the right or the left of me, you should be seeing the picture of the, this is a new ceiling fixture that I just got. And these are the LED G9 bulbs. You have to buy these. These are separately. These are the crystal, I guess the base that you put inside the crystal leads or whatever that you put inside the base. And here is the base right here. So you would plug all of these in and spread them out. Each one has 5 in it, so you get 30 all together. And the instructions say you have to mount the fixture first, then put these in. I will be having my brother do that because I won't be able to stand on a ladder to screw these in with my arm and my back. But it comes with white glove service, and then all the stuff to tie it on, and the screws. I thought this was a fabulous deal. And it is actually going to go up there on that ceiling, so when you walk into my foyer area, this light fixture will be there. As I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I hope this video helped you. Like I said, if you have a couple dollars, this is the second Saturday that I have been able to go over to Hobby Lobby and get these florals that are 50% off. All right, so I will see y'all in another video. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm feeling a little bit better, so hopefully I'll be trying to put out, a video per week. I'll talk to y'all later and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.